The shopping cart trick can definitely work with companies that's in the jewelry store. I have not seen it personally work, but there's a full list of credit cards that the shopping cart trick can work for. So I definitely want you guys just to get the list and try to see if you guys are able to find jewelry stores on there and you're able to get it to work. Now, like I said too, you guys can look at the list and try to see if you can get it to work. The main ones that I tell people can try these main companies is the Victoria's Secrets, it's the Express, it's the Children's Place, and it's the Visa. It's the Venus. If you guys want to get the shopping cart trick to work, try these first. If you guys are able to get it pop up with these companies, especially Victoria's Secrets and Express, then you can go to like some of the jewelry stores that's under Community Bank. If they're on a community bank, then you could try to see if you can get that pop up to put about $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart. Once you do that, put your information in, guest checkout, put your information in, and try to see if you can get that pop up and come back and let us know. Come back and let us know so I can definitely make